Sometimes it can be hard to find a niche to get started on YouTube. Here are 30 faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can use in 2025 and beyond. Before we get started, I'm Alan, this is Creative Fuel, and your next viral video is closer than you think. Creative Fuel will help you generate YouTube video ideas, scripts, titles, descriptions, and the lot. All you need to do is figure out what niche you are going to go into. Here are 30 faceless YouTube channel niches that you can dive into in 2025. Scary stories. Whether it's true crime, whether it's ghost stories, you can always scare people and get their attention. 360-degree videos. Go out there, do some things that are eye-catching. Sports entertainment. Give me your opinion on what's happening in sport, your reactions, your deep dives. Piano tutorials, or any music for that matter. Do you have a skill? Why don't you teach us? History. Deep dive into the wonderful tales of the past, explain it to us, bring it to life. Engineering. Show us how things are built, why they're built that way. Give me your opinion on these fantastic bridges. Geography. There are beautiful places all around the world. Why don't we explore them with you? Sports education. Teach me about the sport. Teach me about my health. Teach me about how that happens to work. If you're going to play it or if you're going to enjoy it, you might want to know more about it. Travel countdowns. These are ways of getting people excited for their next travel. Maybe even give them ideas of where people want to go to, in which you can then make travel guides. Act as my little tourist advisor. Tell me everything that I need to go and see in London, Belfast, Scotland, Edinburgh, Germany, America, Australia, everywhere, anywhere. Travel finance. Whether you're teaching me how to fly out on cheap flights, whether you're telling me how to budget, or whether you're teaching me how to use my points to the best of my ability, you can be my one point of call. Luxury lifestyle. Show me your house. Have you got an affinity pool? How beautiful is that view? Software tutorials. So many people get stuck and need to learn how to do certain things on software. In fact, that's one of the reasons why I'm here on Creative Fuel, to help you understand Creative Fuel. Link in the description down below. Tech gadgets. Cameras, phones, computers, drones. Show people how fantastic these things happen to be. You never know, you might be the next Marquise Brownlee. Future technology. Do you read all of those news websites? Do you go to events? Are you excited about the upcoming technology wave? Educate me on it. Mobile technology. There is new mobile phones coming up every month. Whether they're foldable, whether they're flexible, whether they're small, whether they're big. Virtual reality. This is something that's been knocking around for years, but we are right on the edge of VR being more socially accepted. Could you be the person that explains it and educates us? Dating advice. Maybe you're a relationship expert. Maybe you want to talk about your dating experiences. Why not sit down and share it with us all? Friends tips. You don't have to be in a romantic relationship to get the best out of the world. You can make friends. Share stories, give advice, life lessons. Losing weight. You don't have to be on camera to tell us how to eat properly, how to exercise right, or gaining muscle. Losing weight and gaining muscle are two wildly different things. And if you're an expert or if you're going through your own creative journey, this is your chance to share it with us. Health remedies. I know that I've been on the internet in the past flicking through ideas of how to help me with my sinus problems, sort out my neck pain, how to solve cramp. You can be my online doctor. Or you can give me some ancient wisdom. Delve through all of those philosophers of the past and give me the nuggets of truth, the stoicism, the battle facts, everything that I need to infuse my brain with knowledge. Self-improvement. Help me organize my life. Help me get organized. Help me get tidy. Help me plan my life. Mental health. With more and more people on the internet and more social media taking over the world, mental health is very important. Whether you're helping people be more mindful, whether you're helping them calm their mind down, or positive self-talk. Charisma. Do you want to be a little bit more confident? Maybe you want to help other people be more confident. Investing. Everything costs money nowadays, and so we need to make sure that we're looking after our money in the best way. Maybe you can help me, teach me how to look after my finances or go out there and make more money. You can then help me with my personal finance and telling me where to save it or even make money alive. Because everybody loves a good side hustle, whether you're uploading ebooks to Amazon, whether you're flipping things on eBay. You can build your business on the back of telling us how to do that? Well, sharing your business stories. Are you interviewing people? Are you telling me your failures so I can learn from those? Maybe there's a gold nugget that we can all follow, but now you certainly won't have to think of ideas for a YouTube channel. Remember, if you need help on your titles, your descriptions, your tags, and scripting your video, check out Creative Fuel down below.